So we've randomly been running, wanted to go to OU, and then our GPS kind of put us here and there. And look, where did we land up? In a goddamn railway station. This is just so exciting. Now I know the mask should be like this, but I can't breathe. So I'm like, let's do this. Subah ho gayi mamu, hey mamu, hey mamu. But this is so beautiful. Jamia Osmania. How do we get out from here? We crossed the railway track with the foot-over bridge and then came to this side because this side will lead us to OU apparently. This is so nice. हाँ तो नहीं निकाल सकते. Hi camera. This is OU and OU is closed. We cannot go and run inside. So our entire run until here is a waste. Pakka I love you, Rana. Okay. And then we found cows. Okay, and we run on the roads. And we are yet to figure out which place in Nalakunta can we run now. And it's beautiful. Love it. Good morning. And here we have a temple. Oh God, bless us with amazingness and everything nice and everything cool. Woohoo! Good morning. Good morning. क्या बना रहे? चाय बना रहे? Now we are seeing a mosque. Mosque or a masjid are both the same. Hi God, bless us with abundance and love and everything nice. You do. So we had the darshan of 2 religious places today, and hope both the gods are blessing us in abundance. Woohoo! Oh, we have a fellow runner who just overtook us. These guys have just helped us. They have said that we can go into Osmania University straight and right. Thanks God, you're helping me already. Yay! So we stopped those boys. They seemed like runners. So we stopped them to just ask them, where do those guys run in Nalakunta? So yeah, they said we can do it here. Oh. Okay, straight and right. Let's go. So now, should we go there or here? We don't know. Let's see. Let's go here. Osmania University का? हाँ? नहीं? हाँ 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 आप मैं हूँ. अरे आप कैसे थे? मैं देखी ना रे.
नहीं, आप गणेश उनसे पूछे थे ना?
हाँ.
शॉर्ट पेन लेके थे.
Okay, आपका नाम क्या है?
उमर.
Umar is helping us. So this is where we are. So कहाँ से जाना अभी? There we go. We have reached Osmania University. कितना भागते हो?
6 किलोमीटर.
Nice, nice, nice. 6 kilometers. All these things, I think we are trespassing. अरे सच्ची में जा सकते हैं? Oh. So finally, there we go. Wow. He's just didid me, so ये बन गया मेरा भाई. I made a new भाई. You said your name was Amar, right? Umar भाई. He's just a blessing in disguise. Literally, I think both the gods showed me Umar. Umar, शायद आप भगवान हो. So this is the arts college. Oh my God. This is so big. Look at this. How beautiful. Thank you so much. Umar. भैया ये कितने साल पुराना है?
102.
102 साल. वाह. Oh my goodness. College like this. So beautiful. This is just the middle. Imagine the entire. It gives me all Chandramukhi vibes. You can go up here.
इसके अंदर पूरा सिल्वर
कहाँ?
आधा
आधा.
आधा सिल्वर से बने वाले कॉलेज.
हाँ, अंदर दीवार. अम्मा हमें बुला रहे शायद. These were the two guys whom we met initially. Say hi.
Hi.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Shivaji.
शिवाजी है?
Majid.
Majid?
Yeah.
Majid. So it was his friend Umar who helped me out. So thanks to these guys who made this mission successful. So the boys are showing me landscape garden and we can actually go inside this. An exciting day.
Yeah.
Huh? How nicely we dress. Oh my god. It reminds me of the Shining movie maze. This is so wonderful. So this is the landscape garden. These guys are like the pros here, I guess. They know everything. Wow, there's a hut there. So guys, let's go. Running race. So the boys have got me to see this wonderful sight of the gutter lake. So cutely I'm like, यहाँ पे क्या देखना? They said lake. Lake देख सकते हैं? Beautiful lake. Wonderful lake.
Amazing.
Very amazing. Now jump, guys. This gate is just so fancy. Okay, we fit in. I always used to think we'll not fit in gates like this if we are chubby. This is the place 3 that we are going to. Here apparently we can see peacocks at times. సో మా ఉమర్ కి తెలుగు చాలా మంచిగా వస్తుందంట. ఉమర్ ఎలా ఉన్నావు ఉమర్? ఉమర్
తెలుగు
ఎందుకు రాదు ఉమర్? హైదరాబాద్ లో పుట్టి వేరికి తెలుగు ఎందుకు రాదు? చెప్పు, నాకు హిందీ వస్తుందా రావట్లేదా? నీకు తెలుగు ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు? చెప్పు ఫస్ట్, మాట్లాడు ఫస్ట్ తెలుగులో. I think Umar will be like, why the hell did I even stop and help her? మీ ఇద్దరికి వస్తాయా? మరి మాట్లాడు సూపర్ మ్యాన్. నీకు వస్తుందా?
నాకు వస్తుంది.
Nice, nice. So we 3 are comparatively better Hyderabadis because we know both Hindi and Telugu. Then Umar. సరే ఉమర్, అందరికి నమస్కారం అని చెప్పు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Yay! We've taught Umar Telugu. But कितना greenery है रे, कितना greenery, my goodness. We are trying to explore this unexplored territory. These guys also don't know what is here. यहाँ पे सांप आ रहे थे.
परसों में देखे थे छोटा. वहाँ पे चार्ट कॉलेज है ना बिल्डिंग.
हाँ.
उसके बाद.
So snakes are there, peacocks are there. That's all we know. This is actually spooky. यहाँ पे रात पे आएंगे तो my goodness. This is geophysics or something.
गाड़ी पे घूमने में डर लगता है रात में.
अरे सच्ची में बहुत डरावना है यार. घरों को तो देखो, it's looking like haunted only.
जाके देखता हमारे घर में क्या. तो जाके देख के फोन कर. कुछ भी ना होता हम लोग आ जाते. अरे नक्का. चला वापस आ. ना पीने आ रहे हैं.
कहाँ पे?
वापस दिख रहा है.
लॉक है.
छोड़ दो.
अरे इमेजिन यहाँ पे अगर लोग रहते तो माय गुडनेस रात को तो would have been so scary.
बारिश से क्या होगा बेटा?
हाँ ऐसे लग रहा तुम तीनों हीरो और मैं कैमरा मैन. Oh, and this is a sports hostel. Again, we have 3 new places here. We've just been walking since the past forever. I don't think there is a way out. We are just gonna keep walking forever. Look at this, another one. We have 12 minutes to reach art college, like a distance, and we decided not to stop running. We have to continuously run. Umar, run! क्या बैठो 12 minutes. Guys, we can't stop. All Umar cares for is and he's sitting. Cheaters. Here comes our hero Majid. Dun, 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 dun.
अरे चला यार गार्डन का बैठेंगे.
These guys just want to sit near the garden. Just want to sit near the garden. And we finally found our arts college. This entire thing was only possible because of these guys, and I'm so super grateful to them. Bye, boys. The magical, mystical boys. So, we are finally heading back home now. Going home. It's so noisy here. And going home is like another 2 kilometers now. फिर से we're gonna walk and go back home. Good day, great day. And we are walking our way back. Look at that. That's the railway station that we saw in the morning. That's where we came. Oh goodness. And then we somehow managed to go to OU. And we are walking back. Huh. It just feels like such a magical day. What a beautiful day. And I love this entire day. I think it's around, wait a minute, 10.2 kilometers. Now we are walking back home, which is like another 2 kilometers. Beautiful, beautiful, crazy adventure. Tiny, short, yet cute. That's where we were in the morning. We came up to here. Beautiful. Mission Osmania University run. Super duper successful.